Mene makitemo makiromo mire kwi wela churu negotiating gere ya churu madbung offices
omera igi ichawale de ba mbaka yiri ner momor ikin president candidate magitiga chuni yiri ngi angani ngat ma yubo ye pen check mi Uganda mi utwer ma dit loyo di president ma ti lodge ma Second of your parliament.
Obulaga, PNC do TU, 30 years old. 1995.
Exactly. Check the enemy to Herman did the President Matty Lodge. President Matty Lodge, Herman Chief Electoral Commission. Herman Moxian, the Magic Electoral Commission. And Electoral Commission, Herman Chimney, again on your good year. And I don't very check why they Chalo result for President. And
Electoral Commission
and Chairman. Ma president na chimuni ene kene tigi to yar miti announce
electoral commission chimo beri office bi camera man mo bi
mer ingiba le ene logo out where president but he don't
ene neno Gilbert I think chimo electoral commission add meaning before the removal of the age limit and the term limit in 2005 I think in 2017 PNK Yinichim Electoral Commission Jalo 10. By the time I I don't think they will still be the same parties. Will they be?
Yes, onomierno obey some guideline. Makana Yinichim Electoral Commission within a specified period of time. And to Mamekwa Uganda any. To a president.
Okay.
To a president.
Itawani kwera ngomumiri kwanya about president Penchik right now as we talk.
To our moment require reaching president and to our meeting electoral commission. Jomatiu Yuguye Omer Choya Chaluti Pagamente.
Igan Court Copy and President Benechemo, judges of Court of Appeal, High Court, Supreme Court. Pien Kobe na digo anano report kay madana berka complaining pien court open day obertie Kampala. On kita gengitiga struggling get the judicial system.
Exactly. And then Omera check le when cutting across. Omero Joma Yugo ye gobe luti pagamente. Mano public service and a choyogi. It's a team interview. Exactly. It's a team interview, maybe a chairman electoral commission. Makagi Choi, Giromi contract. Giwani Gamendo will recruiting in Pimarapara Beach. Gamendo will be Pimarapa. Give me the contract. Where Kaitiu Kaitika Yugo Kade president mono porro caro will be none of your business.
Yes.
Inti mamigi enemy ene you ye anywhere mi Uganda go bol kui. That is all. Kin mati me Kenya ni. Ento kaiden gisimachi ngamu chimi tika chulo muchara ni tika gore gangi gilutini ingi agero jode ko ni kade tima data and declare ni ano portab imbe tikitso.
Gengi wajeni, he who pays the piper calls the tune.
Exactly. See,
all right, I avoid
all the ambulances are dead ma with your kilaxori. Ichawale ni pole weng ayubo ke mo be alo ko ngawle pole ma parking o bien lumi ko intima duata
so yinum fut ko yue
ya bigi dal ga wero la Gilbert inge yue bien en ku karni tap ni na ma ku tum kwere ene office la Gilbert cha otit kwere ku ene gi utira ni nda pa we beach chaka ni nda pa we beach el no mutara pour le tour weng no ngi pere lu chuni weng no ngorio
no peri ado
no la Gilbert donc ene anda tiu da mo takana ko do dano pi maka be ngwen gi dia bor ngwen gi dia bor no la Gilbert ko do dano so one pe wa aka mo te ku youtube la ki lo mane maka ku youtube MP kon tiara ka yoyo MP tiara te mo jimo keno la Gilbert peye one ku youtube meetup wa cha ko do dano ni no ene chuchot eno we dano gangwe kilakso gingi history pour la Gilbert owero kay den wo cerga biuro kui gwani kui pour la Gilbert politics pereye but is when gimao sinka ka chel ka o kui pour la Gilbert I chawo le gi pol down ma cheri gangwe kilakso. Gi bejo la ya Gilbert yiti party bere. Aro ya chui te ala mi fongwa FDC. Eno kineno lu NRM wengi te biro ku la ya Gilbert. Pol kor parties weng DP, UPC, NUP, FDC daro wengi ti wene kui pa member of parliament gi be ko la ya Gilbert. So jomo ke wiki ti confused. Si ka unity la tela me ti yuki daro madaro mari en kit kui beru kitieno. We are political advising down in Uganda kind o me rotim adapting politics mi Kenya.
Politics ngo mate Kenya.
I Kenya ka ene ye ti kabiro. But mu kind wengi ripa kwa kachil. Ina ka na Raila Odinga gidi piem kachil gi Ruto. But mu kind wengi toro jomo kene ko tawara ko parti pa Raila Odinga. Jo kene ko tawara ko parti pa Ruto. Do giwajo ni wanero agenda mi Kenya na machil.
Yes.
Siwa weko politics opokinwa. Ma kina tika nene kwere Uganda betika chero towards that direction. Ichane kina pira tegloyo wacha nero politics mi Uganda. Ni anywele mi Uganda bo berni ning. Kachalo bodwa ya chule kai la chinja be lockdown kitku pate. Ichana tika what kamadwa nada. Aberga advising ni kuyima tika biro ni. Statistic wajo ni wana chule ene wan walu chan loyo. Da kwene